Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to remove Navigate to Admin Shopify. But before we start, make sure to follow the video till the end and subscribe to the channel. First, on the dashboard, locate and click on the Online Store option. Within the Online Store settings, find the Theme section and click on it. This is where you can manage your store's theme and customize its appearance. Look for the theme you want to edit and click on the three dots next to it. Then select Edit Code from the drop-down menu. This will allow you to make changes to the underlying code of your store's theme. Once you're in the code editor, go down and locate the Assets folder. Click on it to open it up. Within the Assets folder, look for a file named base.css and click on it to open it for editing. Scroll to the end of the base.css file and create a new CSS rule by typing in this text right here. Within the CSS rule, add the property Display None. This will hide the search bar from your store's header. After adding the custom CSS code, click on the Save button to save your changes. This ensures that the modifications you've made to the base.css file are applied to your store's theme. Once the changes are saved, you will see a confirmation message indicating that the asset has been saved successfully. To see the changes you've made, click on the Preview Store button. This will open a preview of your store where you can confirm that the search bar has been removed. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.